How to fix camera zoom not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve ultra-wide or zoom lens issues on your Samsung or Android device. First, launch the Settings application on your Android device. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps to view all applications. Following that, find and tap on Camera in the app list. Now, tap on Storage to access storage options. Moving forward, tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Afterwards, also tap on Clear Data to reset camera settings. In addition to that, restart your Android device completely. Once restarted, open the Camera app and test the zoom functionality. Subsequently, if the issue persists, check for software updates. Moreover, go back to Settings and tap on Software Update. Afterwards, tap on Download and Install to check for available updates. Then, install any updates and restart your device. Within this section, also clean your camera lenses with a soft cloth. Alternatively, make sure no protective case is blocking the camera lenses. Once cleaned, open the Camera app again. Then, tap on the zoom icons to switch between different lenses. Afterwards, try pinching to zoom in and out manually. Then, if certain zoom levels still don't work, reset camera preferences. Moreover, open Camera app settings by tapping the gear icon. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on Reset Settings or Reset to Default. Then confirm the reset and test all zoom levels again. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix camera zoom not working on Android, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.